So to publish the hardcover version of your book, like you already see, you have done the Kindle and paperback, you simply just click on create hardcover. Then you wait for it to come up, and like the paperback, our information are already been pre-filled for the title of the book, the author's name, the description, the primary audience, the publishing right. And unlike the paperback, the details of our hardcover category have already been fit in here because hardcovers and paperback are fixed in the same categories. They are all print books. So then our keywords are already here too. So there's no need to write them again. Every other information you can see, I practically did nothing on this page. Okay. So here again, I'll just click on assign me a free KDP ISBN. Remember what I said while we were formatting paperback and hardcover, that major difference is that the ISBN has to be different on your paperback and hardcover. So if your book already has a provision for ISBN, make sure that you remove that ISBN before publishing that same manuscript on Amazon KDP as a hardcover. So I'll click on assign me a free ISBN to get another ISBN specifically for this hardcover. Then my interior, based on the way I've designed it, is meant to be black and white interior with cream paper. Then the size of the manuscript itself is 5.5 by 8.5. And then the bleed setting, leave it at no bleed. Cover finish, leave it at matte. Then I'll come to upload manuscript and upload that same PDF that I've exported while working on the paperback and hardcover when I was formatting it at the time. So remember that I'm using the same file because I did not include any ISBN inside my book. So I'll just upload that same file. Then on this cover, I'll just come to this part that says upload the cover already designed. So I will just come here, upload your cover file. Then I will locate the file I had created with Canva specifically for my hard cover. So that's what I will just locate right now. I will locate that and upload here. Again, I did not select this because my cover does not have a barcode on it. So I just do that and wait. So now that my cover has been uploaded and then the manuscript is also uploaded, all I need to do now is move here, come to this part. Of course, it's the same document, so I'll just do the same thing I have done throughout this. Just include the tool I used while creating this book. Then for the images, none. For the translations, none. I come to the live previewer, I'll launch it and then click on continue and wait. So this doesn't take long and it's going to come up. Fantastic. You see, there's no error anywhere. It's anytime you see this part that says quality check and all of that, it's a sign that there's no error inside your book. Otherwise, you will have seen red lines everywhere. But you have to still check and be sure that everything you have designed fits exactly what you have proposed and planned. So you wait, and like I did the other time, sometimes I play around this just to give it some room to initialize on its own, right? So you see, this is my cover. This is the back cover. Everything fits so beautifully. This is the front cover. Everything fits so nicely. I haven't checked this. If you like, you can go through the book again to see how it all looks or change the view to thumbnail view just so that you can have a full glance of the entire manuscript. Then I click on approve and wait for it to be approved. Fantastic. So now that we have this here, I'll just scroll downwards again and I will see the cost of printing this hardcover. Of course, because of the um, kind of cover, the hardcover itself is what would it was increase the price of printing. So 6.80 per book. I'll click on save and continue. And this also will help me determine how much to price this book. So now that we are here, every other thing still remains the same. Now, you see here, I have the minimum price I can put this book is 11.33, and that will even mean that I don't make any royalties at all. So for this hardcover, I would want to publish this hardcover at $25, and let's see how much I make per book. Okay, if I publish this at 25, I'll be making 8.19 for every sale of this hardcover, which I think is fair enough. So I'll scroll down, click on publish your hardcover book, and having done that, it brings us to the end of the publishing phase in this course. I hope this has been very useful and helpful. Next, I will share with you how to get a shareable link when your book goes live on Amazon.